Assalamualaikum. I hope all of you are fine. So today's our topic is about unit 3 numericals, and our first numerical is a force of 20 Newton moves a body with acceleration of 2 meter per second square. What is the mass? So data here is force will be equal to 20 Newton and acceleration is 2 meter per second square. To find here is mass, so formula we are going to use is Newton's second law of motion, that is F is equal to ma. By putting the value of force and acceleration, we get the mass that will be equal to 10 kg. So our second numerical is about the weight of a body is 147 Newton. What will be its mass? So data here is force is equal to 147 Newton and gravitational acceleration. We know that the gravitational acceleration value is 10 meter per second square. So to find here is mass. So by using the formula F is equal to W is equal to mg, because weight is equal to mg, and by putting the value of weight and gravitational acceleration, we get the mass that will be equal to 14.7 kg. kg is the unit of mass. So our third numerical is about how much force is needed to prevent a body of mass 10 kg from falling. So data here is mass is equal to 10 kg and gravitational acceleration, that we already know that its value is 10 meter per second square. To find here is weight, that weight is the force acting on a body, and the formula we use here is F is equal to mg. By putting the value of gravitational acceleration and mass, we will get the value of weight that will be equal to 100 Newton, and Newton is the unit of force or weight. So our third numerical or fourth numerical will be find the acceleration produced by a force of 100 Newton in a mass of 50 kg. So force here is 100 Newton, mass is 50 kg. So to find here is the acceleration, and by using the formula F is equal to ma, we by putting the value of force and mass, we get the acceleration that will be equal to 2 meter per second square. So our fifth numerical is about a body has a weight of 20 Newton. How much force is required to move it vertically upward with acceleration of 2 meter per second square? So according to the statement, first of all we required a force that will be balance the weight force. So after that, the force must be, the holding force must be greater than the weight force to move a body. So data here is weight is equal to 20 Newton, acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Total upward force Fp. Here is the total upward force that provided a body that produces the acceleration in the body, and it will be denoted by Fp. Formula here is W is equal to mg. So first of all we have to calculate the mass, then we will find the force. Mass here is 2 kg, so Fp will be equal to ma, that will be F is equal to 4 Newton. So total required force that is required by a body to move in upward direction will be equal to Fp plus W. So by putting the value of Fp, that is 4 Newton, and W, that is 20 Newton, we get the total force, that is 24 Newton, that moves a body in upward direction with acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So stay blessed and subscribe the channel to get more videos about the numericals of upcoming units. Thanks.